Have you ever practiced English for months?
And still feel like something is just missing?
Like you know the grammar, you know the words.
But your speaking still feels stuck.
That was me, every single day.
And today we are going to fix that for good.
Wait, is there really a secret nobody told us?
Oh, yes, and it will completely change the way you speak.
Then I am not going anywhere.
Good. Stay with us. This video is for you.
Okay, so let me be honest with you guys.
Go ahead, Alex. Tell them how it really felt.
I studied English every day for 6 months.
6 months is a long time. That shows dedication.
But when someone spoke to me in English,
What happened?
my mind went completely blank.
Like you forgot everything you ever learned?
Exactly. The words just disappeared.
Guys, can you relate to this? Comment below right now.
I felt embarrassed every single time.
And that embarrassment made it even worse, right?
Yes, I started avoiding conversations altogether.
That is the cycle most learners fall into.
So what was I doing wrong?
You were learning English, but not living it.
What does that even mean?
It means your brain knew the rules.
But it didn't know how to use them in real time.
Exactly. And that is the key problem we are solving today.
Okay, so what is this big secret?
The secret is your mouth needs to practice, not just your brain.
Wait, what?
Most people study English in their heads,
Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing.
but speaking is a physical skill, like riding a bike.
Oh wow, I never thought of it that way.
You can read about riding a bike for years.
But you still have to actually get on the bike.
Exactly. Language is a muscle. You have to train it.
So all my reading and memorizing was not enough.
It helped, but it was only half the work.
So what is the other half?
Output. Speaking every single day.
How much speaking? Like a few minutes?
Even 5 minutes of focused speaking practice can rewire your brain.
5 minutes? That sounds very doable.
Science backs this up. It's called motor memory.
Like muscle memory in sports?
Yes, your tongue, lips, breath, they all need to remember.
So speaking is literally a workout.
A workout for your communication muscles. Yes. All right, let us get into the actual exercises now.
Yes, please. What is step 1?
Step 1 is called echo practice.
Echo practice. What is that?
You listen to a native speaker say something.
And then?
You echo it back immediately out loud.
Oh, like copying their exact words.
Yes. Tone, speed, rhythm, everything.
Can I try one right now?
Sure. Repeat after me. I am getting better every single day.
I am getting better every single day.
Great. Now say it like you mean it. Feel the words.
I am getting better every single day.
Now you are speaking, not just repeating.
Wow, that felt different.
That is your brain making a new connection.
Viewers, pause the video and try that sentence.
Say it 3 times out loud. You'll feel the shift.
Okay, so step 2, what is it?
Step 2 is mirror speaking.
I've heard of this one.
Most people try it once and give up.
Because it feels awkward, right?
Exactly, but awkward means you're growing.
What do I do exactly in mirror practice?
Stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eyes.
That already sounds intense.
Now talk to yourself in English. Describe your day.
Like, today I woke up and had breakfast.
Perfect. Keep going. Add details. Keep talking.
Even if the sentences are simple,
Especially if they are simple. Simple is strong.
how long should I do this?
Start with just 2 minutes, then grow to 5.
And this actually works?
It trains your confidence and your fluency at the same time.
2 birds, 1 stone.
Every day in the mirror. That's your homework.
Okay, step 3.
Step 3 is sentence chunking.
Chunking, like breaking sentences into pieces.
Yes, instead of learning single words.
We learn whole phrases.
Exactly. Your brain stores chunks, not just words.
So instead of learning make,
Learn make a decision, make a mistake, make it happen.
oh, that makes so much more sense.
When you speak, chunks come out faster than single words.
So my sentences will sound more natural?
Fluent, smooth, and natural. Yes.
Viewers, pick 3 chunks right now and say them out loud.
Try, I totally understand. That makes sense. Let me think about it.
Say each one 5 times fast.
The more you repeat, the faster they come out in real conversation. Now let us talk about an advanced technique.
Ooh, I love advanced stuff.
This one is called shadowing.
I have seen this mentioned online, but never understood it.
Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time.
At the same time, that sounds hard.
It is at first, but it is the fastest fluency builder known.
How do I do it exactly?
Find a short audio clip or video in English.
Like a podcast or YouTube video?
Exactly. Something at your level, not too fast.
And then I just talk along with it?
Yes, speak every word as you hear it. Match the rhythm.
Even if I don't catch every word?
Even then, your brain fills in the gaps over time.
How long before I feel improvement?
Most students feel it within 1 week of daily shadowing.
1 week? That is incredible.
10 to 15 minutes a day. That's all it takes.
Guys, try shadowing this video right now.
Replay any section and speak along with us.
Your tongue will start to move differently, I promise.
Let me tell you something important about your journey.
Yes, because some days it still feels hopeless.
Every single fluent English speaker felt what you feel right now.
Even you, Alice?
Especially me. I was once terrified to speak one sentence.
No way.
I remember mispronouncing a word in class once.
What happened?
Everyone laughed and I cried that night.
That is heartbreaking.
But the next day, I practiced that word 50 times.
50 times.
50 times until it felt like breathing.
And now look at you.
Progress is not made in big moments. It's made in small repetitions.
That is so true. Every rep counts.
Viewers, what word have you been afraid to say? Write it below.
We want to know, and we want you to practice it today.
Let me share a quick story about one of our students.
Oh, I love success stories. Tell us.
Her name was Mia. She had studied English for 3 years.
3 years is a lot of time invested.
But she could barely hold a 5-minute conversation.
That sounds familiar for a lot of people.
She found these exact techniques and tried them for 30 days.
Just 30 days?
30 days of mirror practice, shadowing, and chunk learning.
What happened after 30 days?
She gave a full 10-minute presentation at her workplace in English.
From barely 5 minutes of conversation to a full presentation.
And she told us it was the proudest moment of her life.
That gives me chills.
It is not magic. It is method and consistency.
So the method works if you actually do the work.
Every single day, even if just for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. That is less than one song on your playlist.
And it could change your life the way it changed Mia's.
Viewers, are you going to be the next Mia?
We believe you absolutely can. Okay, let us do a quick 5-step daily routine together.
Yes, let's make it super simple and practical.
Step 1. Wake up and say 3 positive sentences in English.
Like, today is going to be a great day.
Step 2. Spend 2 minutes in front of the mirror talking.
Describe what you see. Describe how you feel.
Step 3. Learn and repeat 3 new sentence chunks.
Write them down, say them out loud 10 times each.
Step 4. Shadow a short video for 10 minutes.
Match the speaker's tone, speed, and rhythm.
Step 5. Before bed, replay one conversation from your day in English.
In your head or out loud, just replay it in English.
That's it. 5 simple steps, every single day.
Screenshot this or write it down right now.
This routine takes less than 20 minutes total.
20 minutes a day to transform your English. Worth it?
100% worth it.
So let's recap what we covered today.
We talked about why studying alone is not enough.
We learned about echo practice, mirror speaking, and chunking.
We explored the powerful shadowing technique.
We heard Mia's transformation story.
And we gave you a simple 20-minute daily routine.
This is everything you need to start speaking with confidence.
But here's the truth. Watching this video is just the beginning.
You have to take action. Today, not tomorrow.
Open your camera app right now after this video ends.
Look at yourself and say, I am becoming fluent. Watch me.
Say it like you mean it, because you will mean it soon.
If this video helped you even a little,
Give it a like. It helps more people find this content.
subscribe if you want more real, practical English tips.
And share this with one friend who needs to hear this today.
One friend, right now, you could change their life.
We'll see you in the next video.
Until then, keep speaking, keep growing.
And never stop showing up for yourself.
See you next time.